What is the source code of this module doing? If you open a Python interpreter and type import this, as you know, it prints The Zen of Python by Tim Peters. Beautiful is better than ugly. Explicit is better than implicit. Simple is better than complex. Complex is better than complicated. Flat is better than nested. Sparse is better than dense. Readability counts. Special cases aren't special enough to break the rules. Although practicality beats purity. Errors should never pass silently. Unless explicitly silenced. In the face of ambiguity, refuse the temptation to guess. There should be one, and preferably only one, obvious way to do it. Although that way may not be obvious at first unless you're Dutch. Now is better than never. Although never is often better than right now. If the implementation is hard to explain, it's a bad idea. If the implementation is easy to explain, it may be a good idea. Namespaces are one honking great idea, let's do more of those. In the Python source lib.this.py, this text is generated by a curious piece of code.
This is called ROT13 encoding. Builds the translation table for both uppercase, this is what 65 is for, and lowercase, this is what 97 is for chars. Prints the translated string.
It's a substitution cipher, ROT13.
If you want to make the ROT13 substitution by hand, or in your head, you can check that because 13 times 2 is equal to 26, the number of the letters of the English alphabet, it's essentially an interchange. VS LBH Sench Vifa Ebat Rabtu, LBHYY Ryranils NFGR Ger MIBS EBG, 13 Nitbivgers Nak und Gov Zivatba Ybat GRKGF Javgub PBGI Uric.
It's a substitution cipher, as mentioned in previous answers. Historically speaking, it's the Caesar cipher. This URL.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.